In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. 20,000 birds destroying farms. The military was sent in. The army arrived with machine guns and 10,000 rounds. How hard could it be? Wrong. The emus were insanely smart. They zigzagged and ran 30 miles per hour. The bullets just missed. After a week, they'd only killed 50 emus. The guns kept jamming. The emus kept winning. The newspapers roasted them. One headline, "Emus win." The military had to retreat. Australia officially lost a war to emus, and yes, they still get roasted about it today.